Little sparrow, brown and sweet, hops along on tiny feet, sings hello to everyone. Soft gray pigeon, cuckoo sound, walking gently on the ground. Peaceful bird we love to see, green parrot on the tree so high. Talking, laughing, passing by, bright ideas in every word. Peacock dancing in the rain, feathers shining like a flame. Nature's pride in colors bright, robin hops and looks around, searching worms upon the ground. Springtime friend with happy cheer. Owl flies out when day is through, moonlight shining, stars peek too. Silent wings in velvet night, duck goes paddling in the pond. Quack, quack songs it sings along, water sparkles as it swims. Eagle gliding through the air, strong and bold without a care. Watching